Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can optimize main thread work and make it work faster on your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. Now, main thread capacity might be filled up by different things. It might be, used up by your images. If you have high scale images which don't need to be of such a high resolution, that might be the case, which why your page is or your store is running slower. You might have animations or custom CSS which might be interfering. You might be using certain JavaScript scripts or anything else on your site, which also might be creating a big resource, black hole pretty much, and you can rectify that very easily. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is go into online store and go into themes, and your theme is going to have pretty much everything to do with this. If you click on customize, you can customize all the content on your pages depending on the page you're at. So for example, on this image banner, you can change the image or select the image which you want. And again, I do implore you, make sure that the image is of a certain resolution. For most cases, at most 1080p should be selected, since it's not really going to add anything else if you upload a 2K or 4K image, unless you're selling photography pieces or something like that. Then you're going to need to add higher scale photography. However, if you're just making images on your site, just add the lowest possible resolution to make it still look good, and also optimize the speed. But that is one method. The other method is go here and click on edit code, and here you can go across your code of your theme. You can go into theme liquid and edit anything over here that might be working against you. But mostly what you're going to be doing is going into assets, and from here you can modify these CSS files, which again might have certain animations, might have certain formatting, which might take up graphics resources from your clients or your customers. So you should just go through this and optimize it yourself. You can also pay somebody to optimize it for you, so that is completely up to you. Or you can go into apps and get some page optimizing apps, which I do not place my full trust in, so that is completely at your discretion. But that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.